welcome to today's video. We're gonna be doing a grocery haul. First, we went to Walmart, and this grocery haul is probably gonna be a lot more junk food. We haven't been buying a lot of snacks, and the kids went with me, so I kind of bought some stuff I hadn't been buying. So Courtney's gonna help me out, and we're gonna show y'all what we got today. So let's get started.
Okay, starting, we have this Lloyd's barbecue seasoned shredded pork. This is for Bryce to like for his band camp so we can have lunch.
Yeah, he wanted that so we can make sandwiches every day.
Then Adrian got swimming jig.
He always has to get something.
Then
like that.
they have these new things that we found. They're these
They're
little
on clearance too, right?
Yeah, they were $3. These little wax melts, and first of all, they're shaped as this one's shaped as a peach, and it comes with a ton. This one's the citrus peach sangria. If it were closed.
Courtney got that.
Sangria. And they're just little wax melts, and there's a lot of them, and they smell really good. Next, we have hamburger buns. And we have Nature's Own butter bread. That's our favorite bread to get. Then we have McCormick bacon pieces. They're bacon bits. Then everything bagel seasoning. Really good. Then French fried onions. And garlic seasoned and butter flavored croutons. And everything's falling over here. Then we got some Takis, Fiesta size, because we love Takis.
Them kids can eat some Takis.
Then I've been wanting to try these like little snap, like Dilly Bite little.
I hope you like them, because the last couple times
things.
she hasn't liked the pickles, but they were like seasoned, I believe.
Yeah,
right?
this one's just normal dill pickles, so I'm pretty sure I'll like them.
Okay.
I just wanted to try this for a long time. Then we have Starbucks medium roast unsweetened coffee. Normally Mom gets 2 of these a week. They were out, so she got this Stokes, not too sweet, cold brew coffee.
Yeah,
so
I used to get that a lot, and
yeah.
I don't know.
Then I got Nutella and Go. I already ate one in the car.
Those things were kind of high. They were like over $5, but I gave in.
Then Yo Crunch M&M
Adrian
yogurt.
loves those.
Then some Brisk fruit punch. Adrian likes that. Then Mom, Bryce, and Adrian got these Twinkie iced latte coffees. Bryce liked them, so he was telling them that they should get one. And I got a normal Starbucks vanilla frappuccino. And then these
Bryce says they're good. They're
watermelon strawberry cokes.
Yeah, so he got 4 of those are his for band camp, and then
they're limited edition, so
yeah. So Courtney and Adrian also got 2 because they wanted to try 4.
Yeah. So then we got classic Chipper chocolate chip cookies and Chips Ahoy Hershey Veggie Filled cookies, some Twinkies, and mini cherry fruit pies.
We'll go
Over here, we got Clorox toilet wand refills, some antifreeze.
Yeah, for my car. We're having to put my car in the shop, but we need to put some antifreeze into it.
Then celery, baby carrots, 2 bags of mozzarella shredded cheese, bag of buttermilk Eggo waffles, and cream cheese and strawberry toaster strudels because these are so good, and pancake and sausage on a stick.
Adrian loves those. So, other than a couple of drinks, we had like 2 Dr. Peppers, and Bryce got a phone case, so that was everything we got. So, yep, so let me... So anyways, that's the grocery haul, and in a minute I'm going to show y'all some produce bags I was sent by the company Epare, or I think it's Epare. Epare? Hold on. How would we say it? I think it's Epare. Epare?
Epare.
Epare. Anyways, so I'm going to show y'all these in just a second. Hey y'all, I want to introduce y'all to a new product that I was sent to try out. These are produce bags by the company Epare. I hope I'm saying that correctly. There's 10 of these bags. These are reusable, and they help keep your fruits and vegetables fresher longer. So instead of using plastic bags or containers, you can use these. And there are different sizes and different colors. I'm going to show y'all. We have this orange one here. also have a green one in the same size. Here is one. This one's a little bit smaller. It's like a tan color. We have another one. It's, I guess like a beige, almost white. Then there's one in a nice maroon. Then we have one, it's the same height but not as wide, in a nice teal color. And we actually have two of those. This one might be just a tad bit greener. Then we have a dark green that is really long. I can already tell you what I will be putting in this one because I have some celery. And then there's some smaller bags here that would be good for herbs. You get two of those. So, this is a 10-pack, different sizes. They all have like little zipper and little zippers to close the bags. And these are very nice. Are reusable, they're durable, and they will help cut plastic bag use in a very convenient way, and each mesh bag has the potential to eliminate up to 1,000 plastic bags over its lifetime. And this will help keep your fruits and veggies fresher longer. Okay, y'all, I have some celery that I have trimmed. I took all of the greenery part off, and I'm going to give that to my chickens and turkeys. And I washed this and dried it. Now we're going to put it into this bigger bag here. I'm just going to place all of this in here. And there are some smaller pieces, but that's okay. We're going to put them in there too. And just zip this up, just like so. Now we're going to move on to some baby carrots. So now I'm going to put them into this bag here. So pour those in. So, and there those are. Next, I have a few tomatoes, not many, just a couple. And I'm going to put those, I think, into since there's not that many, maybe they'll fit into this little bag. Let's see. If it's too crowded, no, I think that's going to be too crowded. I'm going to put them into this bag here. There, that one hung a little, but there's that one. Last thing will be some lettuce that I've had. I'm going to put it into this green bag. Okay, so for now we have our lettuce, our tomatoes, our carrots, and our celery. So I'm going to put those in the refrigerator. And I do have some cucumbers in there that came from the garden. I'm just going to leave those just loose like they are. We're going to go ahead and put our celery in here. Carrots and our tomatoes, and last our lettuce. Let me straighten this up a little better. I have the camera in the way, y'all. So I'm going to straighten this up just a little bit better. And it all fits in there so nicely, y'all. Look at that. If you're tired of messy produce inside your refrigerator and produce going bad easily due to poor storage, this may be the way to go for you. These are very reasonably priced. I will have them linked down below, and I am looking forward to using these and taking advantage of saving my fruits and vegetables and keeping them fresher longer. Okay, y'all, we're going to check out some of our produce. I'm actually going to take out these carrots and the lettuce. These I didn't have in a container, or in a bag, I mean. But we want to check out our lettuce and carrots because I'm going to make some salad. Okay. Our lettuce still looks just as good as it did when I put it in there. And let's look at some of these carrots. They still look nice and fresh. So yeah, these bags are definitely good bags. I would like to thank Epare for sponsoring today's video. Just remember that the Epare produce bags can be one of the most effective and affordable ways to store veggies and fruits inside the fridge, keeping them staying fresh longer. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Be sure to check out Epare down in the description box below.